I want to say this, guys. Get used to, listen carefully, get used to these kind of questions, because you can't just plug it in a calculator, get an answer. You might try, but you must first do a lot of maths before you can actually use your calculator. So now the thing is, ladies and gents, when I look at this question, and one of the ladies here asked me, "Sir, but what would you consider to be the monkey and what would be the mountains?" The monkey is trying to get a value for theta. Remember what I said, I think it was on Monday or Tuesday. I said to you guys, if you ask me, prove there's no solutions, prove there's no roots, prove that this can't ever happen, you assume it will happen. So I'm going to assume theta will have a solution. So there is my monkey. Try to get a value for theta. And then disprove what I'm trying to do. Okay. So if I look at this one, my mountains would be, how does this relate to here? Well, for me, the easiest way of thinking about it is I know that I've got tan theta equal to something. Tan theta is equal to this whole thing at the top. So I am going to sub that into tan theta. Okay, now ladies and gents, look at the magic. The magic. Because cos theta over 1 minus sine theta minus cos theta over 1 minus sine theta is 0. So what is my answer? Negative 1 over cos theta equal to 0,3. Now I've solved the one mountain. Now, how do I solve a normal trig equation? Well, I would like to first of all get cos theta at the top, or let's actually divide by the negative. So I've got 1 over cos theta is negative. I don't want to work with 0,3, I'm going to work with 3 over 10. So, how do I get cos theta at the top? I reciprocate. So I'm going to flip it, and my answer is negative 10 over 3, or negative 3,3 recurring. Now, quite a few of you guys then came and said, but now what? Why, sir, when I plug it in my calculator and I try to get theta, the answer is undefined? This gent here, Seth, he had a very smart explanation. But what he said was, think about the relationship of cos theta. Guys, cos theta is hypotenuse over, or is adjacent over hypotenuse. Can the adjacent be longer than the hypotenuse? No. It can't happen. So 10 over 3 cannot be, no matter which universe you look at. Okay? So, but what I like to do is a lot more practical approach and look at the cos theta graph. What is the highest value that it can become? The lowest y value? Will it ever go to negative 3.3 recurring? So it cannot have a solution. Now, how do I explain this to the examiner? I just go, therefore there's no solution. Guys, because the thing is, ladies and gents, you are supposed to know that cos of theta will always lie between negative 1 and 1. You're supposed to know that from grade 10 already. Now some of you guys are going, but sir, that's a long time ago. Remember that. That's again why Trig and Maths has so much study work. Because you've got to know your grade 10 and 11 work off by heart.